God, do you see what I see? It is the FedEx man. And you know what the FedEx guy means? The FedEx guy means part deliveries. And where is it? It's from Lunati. Unboxing time. Okay. That's good, no brokerage charges. There we go. Yeah. So that's what, there we go. That's what we ended up with. It is a Lunati 104207000, which I believe would be classified as an RV cam. And I should wake up 350 pretty good. Ooh. There's assembly grease. There's the cam. There is a lot of information here. Ooh. There we go. Right. There's the cam card. There's a warning to put brake-in oil in. Assembly grease. A decal, because everyone needs a voodoo decal. And then a bunch of instructions. Pre-oil, use ZDDP. Yep. Okay. Anyway, this is what everyone came to see anyways. The very tasty, ready to go in cam. Yeah. Look at it. It even has lobes. Lovely. There we go. One Olds Voodoo cam is ready to go into the 350 just as soon as I have a few other parts like the everything else. Okay.